Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, I decided to decorate a table for two, warm and cozy. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called All Things Decor Tabletop Collaboration. This is being hosted by Debbie Bubbles and myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now we do have a guest host and it's Creating with Miss K. So the theme of this collaboration is warm and cozy, and I cannot wait to get started with this table. Also remember that as in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I go ahead and decorate this table. So always remember to head on over to my community tab where there you're going to find the calendar of collaborations for the month. Any details concerning any of those collaborations, I have my email link below. I cannot wait to hear from you. So I would love for you to co-host in these collaborations. So if you're interested in any of them, remember in the email, you can always let me know. Now, I don't know if you've ever been over to Debbie Bubbles' channel. She does a little bit of everything and she does it with extravagance. Oh my goodness, so you won't be disappointed. Head on over there, click the like button, subscribe, and let her know that I sent you. So the guest, if you've ever been over to Creating with Miss K, you certainly want to go over there and see how she styles and decorates her home as well. Great minds think alike, guys. Now I'm going to finish decorating this table and then I'm going to go ahead and talk to you in detail about each piece. I think this came out amazing. Let's go take a closer look. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you a little bit more about the table in detail. So let's get started here. So I have my tea set over here. This was thrifted, and it wasn't thrifted as a set, but it kind of blends in together as a set. This one has more detail. I like that the teapot over there is just plain white. These accent pieces right here, I DIY'd on a live with Art with Connie. Now, I found these beautiful pumpkin mugs at the Dollar Tree. I couldn't believe it. Absolutely beautiful. I thought I would place them right here on the table. These topiaries were gifted to me by a perfect stranger at the Goodwill. I have quite a bit of them, including that trumpet vase over there. I just went ahead and just filled them with pine cones, and look how gorgeous they look. So this vase right here, this black vase, came from the Dollar Tree. I think that was $3. Then of course the florals and the apple picks came from there. This also came from the Dollar Tree. Isn't that beautiful? The Dollar Tree is really stepping up their game. Now, I also DIY'd this for another collab, and I thought it would be perfect right here on the table. So that was really beautiful. I really love how that came out. So here is the other mug, and this here also came from the Dollar Tree. And I also have it in another color, but this is the color that goes with the table. Matches with the table beautifully. Here is the other ornament. I call it an ornament, but it's a tier tray. I wanted it to be for a tier tray, so I did not put a hanger on it. All right, the candles, of course, came from the Dollar Tree. I mean, yes, and also that pumpkin, that sweater pumpkin, isn't that beautiful? Including the tree. Now this tree did not come with the leaves in it. I stuck the leaves in it. Of course, my back wall over there is decorated for the fall. Let me show you the place setting. So the wine glasses, these came from Walmart. The water glasses were thrifted. The flatware came from Aldi. Now this, isn't this dish absolutely beautiful? This salad plate right here, I grabbed two. This came from Hobby Lobby. Then we have the dinner plate, which is from the Dollar Tree. And then the charger, let me go ahead and move this. The charger came from Hobby Lobby, and so did the woven placemat. The napkin was thrifted. The napkin ring came from Party City. So I put it together this way, and I'm really loving how it looks. I think it looks really elegant. I'm loving how it looks against the orange colors and all of the fall vibrant colors. So this is my tablescape. Now let's head on over to the reveal. So I do hope that you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and God bless you.